Here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Seminole Towne Center in Sanford, Florida. Here's a children's section. There's a girls. There's the elevator sign. Here's a store directory. And this is a Montgomery Twinkie-M elevator. Here it comes. Out there is back into the store. And it's golden. Here it is. Here's the indicator. Looks similar to the one at Pembroke Lakes Mall. Let's go up to 2. Door close button works out like that. Here's a certificate of operation. This elevator looks identical to the Dillard's Women's and Kids elevator at Pembroke Lakes Mall in Pembroke Pines. It's a Montgomery. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Certificate of operation. Here we are 2. This elevator is really nice. Here's a directory. Let's take a look back into the store. And right here is the south entrance. There's cosmetics. There's the elevator sign. Here's a directory. And here's a trash can. Let's go back down. Here it is. Here's the lantern. Let's go back down to 1. Door close button works out like that. It's a phone. It's the indicator. Pretty nice for Dillard's store. Here we are 1. It says elevator back up to 2. Here's a lantern. Directory. There it goes, and that's it.